Hello everyone, welcome to my next video. In this video, I shall tell you how you can make the demographic profile a part of your analysis and enhance the quality of your research, and you can come up with more and more articles on your research work using demographic data, because it will help you to explain what people from different demographics have the opinion or have to say about a particular concept, and you can differentiate between them based on their demographic profile. For example, in this questionnaire, this data is from my previous video, so where I had asked about the demographic profile of the respondents, the name, city, age and educational qualification, and I told you how to code the demographic data. For that you can see my previous video. In this I've added on another question on the general information, simply one question for your exam, for giving you an example, and I've asked, do you shop online? Yes or no, please specify. So if I say that according to what age group shops online more, I will be able to define this on the basis of my demographic data. I would cross-tabulate it with my demographic data, and would be able to tell better whether which age group goes in more for online shopping, whether graduates or postgraduates go in for online shopping more. So this will be analyzed only if I use my demographic data along with the general information which I can use. So how to go about it? As in my previous video, I had coded my demographic profile, age and qualifications. So this was how I did it. So this was age coded, this was educational qualification coded. Now online shopping is similarly coded as 0 for yes and 1 for no. And what I'll do is I'll go to analyze and I'll go to descriptives. Here in the fourth option we have cross tabs. So you can post it anywhere, whether age and qualification have to go, the dependent and independent variables do not matter here. So you can put the age and qualification in the column side also, so it would not affect, because it is cross tabulation, it will not affect your analysis. So okay, and this is what I get. So this is what I get: above 25, above 30 and above 40, 60 people above 25 shop online, whereas 50 do not. 30, 86 and 75 is the ratio, and for above 40 it is 150 and 179. So it is more in case of online shopping, is more in case of a younger age group, that is 25 to 30, and above 40 the tendency for online shopping reduces. And same is with graduates and non-graduates, yes or no. So graduates are more in number, and online shopping is more in case of graduates than in case of postgraduates. So from this I can analyze my results better. I can segregate them as per the demographics, enriching the quality of my research. Rather than saying that people shop online, these many people shop online, I would be able to tell better which age group shops online more as compared to the other age groups, and same is with the qualification. So this is what enhances your quality of research. So using demographics, you can make use of demographics in your research by cross-tabulating them along with your other questions. This was first example. I will be coming up with more and more examples how you can use your demographic data along with the other information by using cross-tabulation or other techniques. Thanks for watching, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for now.